In this video, we will explore how to use the PDF Forms Filler plugin for WPForms. You will learn how to automatically populate PDF forms using the data entered by users on your website. This plugin enables you to set up automatic filling of your PDF forms, send completed PDF files via email, download them, or view them through a link. It's perfect for automatically populating certificates, applications, contracts, forms, and other PDF documents. In this video, we will learn how to install the plugin, review its interface, attach PDF files, demonstrate the available options for PDF attachments, map WPForms fields to PDF fields, create field value mappings, and embed images into a PDF file. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand the capabilities of the PDF Forms Filler plugin and be able to configure automatic PDF form filling on your website. Let's begin with the plugin installation. In the WordPress admin panel, go to the Plugins section and click Add New. In the search bar, type PDF Forms Filler for WPForms and wait for the results to load. Find the plugin in the list and click the Install button. After the installation is complete, click the Activate button. Make sure that both the WPForms and PDF Forms Filler for WPForms plugins are activated. The PDF Forms Filler for WPForms plugin works with both the free WPForms Lite version and other paid versions, such as WPForms Pro. Plugin Interface Overview. The plugin adds a PDF Forms tab to the Settings section in the WPForms admin interface. The interface provides three main features. The PDF Attachment and Configuration tool allows you to upload PDF files and configure their options. The Field Mapper tool lets you create mappings between WPForms smart tags and PDF fields. When a user submits a WPForms form, the input data will be filled into the corresponding PDF fields based on these mappings. The Image Embedding tool enables embedding an image into the PDF file. The image can be downloaded from a URL or taken from a file attachment provided by the user through a WPForms upload field. Overview of attached file options. Once you have attached the PDF file, you can customize the file settings by clicking the Options button. You can use the Skip option to have the PDF file not be attached when none of its fields are to be filled. You can also specify if you would like the PDF file to be flattened. This will make the filled PDF form uneditable. The Set a Custom File Name option lets you specify a unique name for the filled PDF file when it's attached to emails, downloaded by users, or saved on the server. If no file name is provided, the original one will be used. Smart tags can be included in the file name, and they will be automatically sanitized. With the Save the PDF on the server option, you can store filled PDF files in the WP Content/Uploads directory. To keep file paths unique, smart tags can be used. The Add Download link to filled PDF file to the following confirmations option allows users to download the filled PDF immediately after submitting the form. The link appears in the success message and remains valid for 1 hour by default. After that, the file is automatically deleted from the server. If needed, the timeout can be adjusted in WP-config file. WPForms allows attaching the filled PDF file to multiple email notifications. It is possible to configure your attachment preferences in the options list. Attaching PDF files. To attach a PDF file, go to the PDF Form Filler tab and click Attach a PDF File button. Upload a new PDF file or choose an existing one and click Select. When the PDF file is attached, it will appear in the list of attached files. You can attach multiple PDF files. Each file has two buttons. The Options button opens the settings for the file. The Delete button removes the file. Each attached file has a unique ID displayed before its name. This ID is useful for field mapping. Mapping WPForms fields to PDF fields. To enable users to fill out a PDF file, you need to create WPForms form fields and map them to the fields in the PDF form. The Field Mapper tool section includes two drop-down menus. The WPForms field Smart Tags menu lists the fields already existing in the WPForms form and special WPForms Smart Tags. The PDF field menu lists the fields from the attached PDF file. There are several ways to create and map WPForms form fields to PDF form fields. Manual field creation. You can manually create fields in WPForms and map them to the fields in the PDF form. Simply add the required fields to your form, then use the Field Mapper tool to link them to the corresponding PDF fields. Use the Add Mapping button to link these fields. After that, you will see a list of mapped WPForms fields and PDF form fields. Save the changes and add the WPForms form to a page on your website. When a user fills out the form, their data will automatically populate the corresponding fields in your PDF file. Insert and Link button. Let's look at creating WPForms form fields and mapping fields using the Insert and Link button. When a field is selected from the PDF field dropdown, a new field is automatically generated and displayed below the dropdown. By clicking the Insert and Link button, this field will be inserted into the WPForms form and automatically mapped to the selected PDF field. Insert and Link All button. Now, let's review the method for creating and mapping form fields using the Insert and Link All button. This method automatically generates form fields for all unmapped PDF fields and links WPForms fields to their corresponding PDF fields. You can edit the fields after mapping, such as removing unnecessary ones. Once the mapping is removed, the field is displayed in the PDF file list and can be mapped again to the WPForms field. In this part of the video, we will learn how to add images to a PDF document using the image embedding tool of the PDF Forms Filler for WPForms plugin. We will cover the following methods: embedding a user-uploaded image file, embedding an image from a user-provided URL, and embedding an image from a static or dynamic URL. Embedding a user-uploaded image file. Let's look at how to embed an image into a PDF file using the File Upload field in WPForms. First, create a File Upload field that allows users to upload their images. In the Image Embedding section, select this field from the WPForms field/Smart Tags list and specify the PDF page where the image should be placed. Click the Embed Image button. Use the plugin's built-in tools to adjust the image position and size. Once the form is submitted, the uploaded image will be automatically inserted into the designated area of the PDF document. Similarly, you can use the website /URL WPForm field. The user will enter an image URL instead of uploading a file from their device. Embedding an image from a static or dynamic URL. You can use any add-ons for WPForms that provide smart tags and return the URL of the image. By selecting the appropriate option in the WPForms field Smart Tags list and clicking Embed Image button, you can specify a URL as the source, whether for a static image or a dynamically generated one. With special smart tags, additional data can be passed into the URL, for example, to generate a QR code. How the PDF Forms Filler for WPForms plugin works. All PDF operations are performed using the PDF.Ninja API. Your PDF files are uploaded and temporarily cached on the API server, then filled on demand and downloaded back to your web server before being attached to WPForms email messages. When the plugin is initially installed, it configures itself by requesting a new API key from the PDF.Ninja API server. You can find your key on the WPForms settings page. The PDF.Ninja API offers a free tier and a pro tier. The default tier for a new key is free. If you find the plugin useful, consider upgrading your key. This concludes the video tutorial. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the plugin forum linked below. Happy PDF filling!